Green up your patio or balcony with the Holman Patio raised garden bed. Location is important when growing plants in a raised garden bed. Depending on the type of plants and the amount of sunlight exposure required, choose a full or part sun location for your garden bed. Our patio raised garden bed includes a drip and self-watering capillary tray with mesh pots, allowing plants to stay hydrated as needed. Lay out all your components and place the feet on the end of each post. Place the pots in the position where you'd like to put your raised garden bed. Slot the posts and panels together with a textured pattern facing the outside. Do the same for each one. Place the base inside the bed. This will act as your drip tray. Then place the lid on top of the drip tray. The lid will hold your mesh pots in place at the base of the bed. Put the caps on top of the posts. Place the mesh pots inside of the 5 holes on the drip tray lid. The self-watering mesh pots work through capillary action. As the plant roots absorb the water, the soil wicks up more, maintaining a consistent level of moisture in the soil. Fill the raised garden bed with good quality potting mix and arrange your plants as desired. Holman, for the smart gardener.